In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to total columns in Google Sheets. Stop counting your data by hand. There's a faster, cleaner way. I'm going to show you two super simple approaches, one for a quick glance at the total, and another that places a permanent result right in your sheet. First, let's say you just want to peek at the total without typing anything. Click the first number in your column, then drag down to the last number you want included. As soon as those cells are highlighted, look to the bottom right corner of your Google Sheets window. You'll see the status bar show a few quick stats, and one of them is sum. That's your total calculated instantly. If you happen to see something like average or count instead, just click that little label and switch it to sum. This is perfect when you're checking totals on the fly during a meeting or while cleaning up data. Keep in mind, this method doesn't add anything to the sheet itself. It's just a live preview, so nothing will print or save as a cell value. Also, Google Sheets automatically ignores text and focuses on the numbers you selected, so a header or a blank cell won't throw it off. Now, if you want the total to live on your sheet, here's the clean, reliable way to do it. Click an empty cell at the bottom of your numbers, ideally right under the last entry in the column. Go up to the toolbar and look for the functions icon. It looks like a Greek sigma. Click that, then choose sum. Google Sheets will highlight what it thinks is your range. If it looks right, just press enter and you're done. The total appears in that cell and it will update automatically anytime you change one of the numbers within that selected range. If the highlighted range isn't quite right, maybe it skipped a row or included an extra cell, drag the blue handles or edit the range in the formula bar before you press enter. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the cells you're summing are actual numbers, not text that looks like numbers. If they're aligned left by default, they might be text. You can change the number format from the toolbar if needed. Also, decide where you want your total to appear so it's easy to find. Placing it directly below the column keeps it clear and readable. That's it. Instant totals when you need a quick check, and a permanent formula when you want the result on the sheet.